on this episode of Around the House. It's Father's Day weekend, and we go visit my dad for the first time at his brand new place. He introduces us to pickleball and then takes a terrifying tumble that left him sore for several days. And as we head into Father's Day, we're greeted by ominous weather that tries to throw off our game plan. But we improvise and move our celebration indoors. From morning until evening, it's a day full of all kinds of surprises for Manuel. The kids help plan and execute every step of the way. So, just what does Manuel think of all these surprises? Stick around to find out and subscribe for more fun.
Who gave her that?
This is like a surprise from her, the brink side.
It's just to like getting
You
started.
don't have to take everything out probably.
No,
You can
sorry.
probably see what.
Well, there's something she has to take
No,
out.
I'm not taking it.
There's something in there you want her to look at?
So flour, I already saw it.
Oh, okay, there's.
These are things that you don't think about like purchasing until you're moving to your new place and you're like, crap, we need to
Thanks, Pam. See?
What you get again?
So quiet.
Lindsay.
I figured it was you.
Doesn't give it away. Thanks. It's just the random things I just put all in a box. Thanks.
Is that the original box?
No, I had to find a box to put in so I can actually wrap it.
Do you need a knife?
Yeah.
She heard a knife, she's like, nope. Kim brought that over. Oh, it just keeps on going.
That's all it is. There's just this tiny little gift to the They're individual casserole dishes. So you can make like your own little dinners if you like different foods and oh sorry, I'm not even feeling it.
Oh, in the tops, there's
That's fitting for today's economy and inflation. That's about all we can afford to cook.
What else is there?
There's a set of yeah, there's a set. Yeah, I just wrapped them individually.
So a dish set? Should I write dish set?
Your favorite person's here, Christy. We love everyone here. Lindsay, look who's here.
Oh yeah. Oh Jill.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
You're hosting a dinner party.
Yeah. Happy.
Tyler's cooking.
Yeah.
Is that tote for reinforcement?
I did. I don't trust myself.
Okay, so glasses too?
Yeah.
Wow. You guys are gonna be all set now. Wow, that's really nice. You guys are so generous.
I was just thinking, if if it was me and I was a newlywed this time, what would I want? Yeah. You're welcome. I think there's some dessert bowls in there too. Yeah, I think those are it.
Oh, look at you.
Are you still open?
Oh, just a little more.
Oh, I thought that was
They look red because they're smoked.
Yeah.
It's not because it's bloody.
Medium rare.
Yeah.
Smells good. It was such a beautiful day outside. There was a little bit of rain coming down. The air had cooled down a bit. I had a really bad migraine, so getting out into the wet, fresh air really helped. And we were learning quite a bit. We were actually doing pretty good and having a great time. And suddenly I look over and I see my dad do this. It was pretty loud. We thought for sure he broke something, and he thinks that he may have cracked some ribs. He was pretty sore for several days after that.
My feet stopped and my body kept going. I just went down.
He got up and pretended everything was okay, because that's what dads do, right?
Well, I'm okay.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, happy Father's Day.
I'm gonna film while I play. Good job, Hayes.
Grandpa. Wow, thank you, you guys. Gosh, that's too much.
Okay for your injuries.
It'll cover your copay. Cool.
Well, thank you, you guys.
Thank you.
It's really nice. Thanks. Let's see. And everyone signed it. Well, thank you, everyone.
Yeah,
It's
you're
really
welcome.
nice. Dang it. Oh my gosh, what's in here? You know I love this.
Really good beef jerky.
You guys want some? Thank you.
Have you ever had this before?
No, what is it?
It's the most pricey hot sauce you'll ever find. But
Really?
Krista and Todd introduced it to me, and I'm
Really?
addicted. And it's
really
the
Where'd you
shelves
get
are
it?
always empty at the stores. You can never find it.
Ooh.
I found one bottle of it, and I had to grab it.
Well, that'll
'cause
clean your sinuses out.
It's
Not truffle.
Not truffle? Sure.
You'll want to put it on all your food.
Oh, it
Yeah.
Where
Krista,
do you get it?
I found this at Smith's.
Did you?
But before that, it's brand new at Smith's. They didn't carry it till just this week. I have to order it on Amazon usually, and it's Worth
Pretty
it.
fancy, huh? It has a nice fancy lid on it.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's sweet. It's like you dip a lot of stuff in it.
Is that?
It's sweet.
Well,
and
thank you.
You're
That's
welcome.
really cool.
Aww. There's nothing like a hug from Pepe, Gay Gay, Tay Tay, and Cambry.
Jago and Camry.
I can't say KK. Cam Cam.
Cam. That's what you always call me.
That
Now
was
you got
so
Cammy
funny.
Camry.
It was just funny. I had to get your reaction. Yeah, so who's going first?
Hey, quit it. You can't cover up your present.
These are their own gifts, just so you know. They both came to me separately on different days.
It's 'cause my first gift got ruined.
And they just were like, Mom, I know something I want to get. Dad, can we order this? And I was like, sure. So this was all them.
Dad, mine was the last week because my present that I was originally going to give you got ruined. It was so cool. And he started one out
They were,
because it was originally a plant and like a cool like vase thing I made you. It was like a cup and I put like silicone balls on it and ribbon and stuff. And then the water like got weird and it like started going through the cup, even though the cup was like it had plastic on the inside. And so it got ruined and I was really sad.
anyways, they were persistent.
Was that?
Yes, you guys were like, can you order this? Can we get this? Can we get this? Can we get this?
No, this one goes last. I want why?
He needs to be brushed today
Mine to go
outside.
last.
He's using hair like crazy.
All right, Cambry, just go first, honey.
Mom.
Please.
Mine's gonna look like trash. No, it's not. No, Ace!
Ace!
Ace, no.
Oh,
Ace, no.
No. Sit.
No.
Oh, he's gonna help Dad. Ace is gonna help Dad open his present.
No, he'll tear it to shreds.
Down. Dead. Dead.
Dad.
Dead.
Dad.
Play dead. 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 Good boy.
Good boy.
So funny.
Good boy,
I taught him
yeah.
that.
No.
Okay, let's see what we got here. It's a waterproof fanny pack.
Waterproof fan.
Explain, honey, what you told me. Tell Dad.
And the baseball.
Yeah, it was kind of just a last minute thing.
Tell Dad why you got this waterproof fanny pack.
Because whenever we go on trips, the fanny pack isn't waterproof.
Like she was thinking of Lava Hot Springs. She's like, Dad could have put his wallet in there and worn it on the raft.
Good. Nice. Thank
That's
you.
what she said.
Okay. It's
Go to Mexico.
Mother's Day.
Yeah,
Mother's Day is
if-
basically.
We go to Mexico
Yeah, I know.
and we go to that water park.
And whenever it's Mother's Day or Father's Day, it's basically like your second birthday. Okay, just put your finger and push it.
Let me read this card first.
Yeah, first.
No.
Here, he can help you open that a little bit. That'll be fun for him.
I hope you enjoy what's in the box. This is taped to this box. The last time we got this was probably 20 to 22 years ago.
I didn't even read the card.
I don't even think that has ever gotten.
Do you want to let Ace help open it?
Dad.
It's like a BMW.
Yep, it is. Tatum is getting really crazy about BMW.
He's trying to help you open the paper. Good job, Ace.
Okay.
Good job, Bubba. That's so nice. Good job.
That's Ace's father.
He needs a job. That's
And
why.
then Dad, open it up and
Yeah,
there'll
take
be
Take it off my arm. Right here.
Dad. There's something
right there.
inside it that
Take it.
there's something.
Good boy. Good boy, Ace.
There's something on the
Okay, Bubbas.
Open the box up and there's something
Okay, Ace, sit. Oh, he's getting all the little
Camry
pieces.
added
Good job, buddy.
Okay. Okay. No more.
Good job, Bubbas.
What is it? This is a 60s. Ace.
Yeah, it's the closest to your car. So we're here, Mom, right? It's also cheapest.
He can't stop.
Ace,
He needs a
Oh
job.
my gosh, his nose is green.
Ace, look at me.
Wait,
His nose is green.
what? Ace, let me see.
His nose.
It's because he put his nose.
His nose is like neon
And this is
green.
supposed to be like a BMW, and Ace got his nose on it.
Oh, it's from the bow.
blue,
It's
actually.
blue.
Oh, Ace, no.
Okay, no.
Ace,
Done. Be done.
Sit. Sit.
Ace, sit, honey. Sit.
It's got a license plate on it.
I think he made that. I
Oh
made
my.
it. Yeah. I made it with my mini printer.
This is actually, I've never had this car, but
That's what I told
guess
him.
who did?
Your mom.
Yeah, we actually found your car that you had in red,
But they were too expensive.
but
they were $100.
they were like over $100.
Yeah, they were like.
Tatum
one
couldn't
was
afford that.
1,000, one was $1,500.
Yeah. Yeah.
$1,500.
But he
Those are
really
cheap.
wanted to get you your exact car, so it was sad because we had to settle
Okay, you want to get me a screwdriver?
for this
Small one?
car instead.
You can have it to your office.
What color did your mom have it in?
I'm sure hers was, I won't say it was white. They didn't have like too many colors.
They had it in orange, and we didn't want to get orange.
There wasn't one.
He sees more paper. He said you absolutely needed that for your office. That's what he said.
Yeah, instead of a trophy, I can have a BMW. Oh, well, the engine opens up like that. So which one?
Watch, 2 months from now, it ends up in Tatum's room.
I was thinking in my mind that Dad would say, oh no, Tatum, just keep it. Wait, so what color did Oma keep that color?
White.
That's what. That's like similar to
So
that
exactly the same.
color? Oh, it is. Oh, whoa. That I actually didn't even notice that actually looked like a different. That would be cool if the gas tank could open up.
Let me see the license plate. What does the license plate say?
Manuel R41.
Let me see. Wait, hold still.
Hey, don't let him have that.
Wait, you get.
I'm pretty sure that was the attic.
The attic thing falls when it's windy. Don't walk under that. Go to the front door now. Everybody go to the front door. That will fall on your head.
Why is it moving?
It moves when it's windy and it falls. Go! Go! Go!
So mean.
Go! Because the last time this happened, people got hurt really bad.
It's dusty out there. Yeah, you can smell the Salt Lake. Looks like that got business.
No, not that one.
Not that one. Wait, I get a different BMW. Read it.
Are you filming me?
Yeah. Read it out loud. Paisley, you're missing it.
Dad, read it out loud.
It's fine. She didn't even know this was happening until like 2
Yes,
seconds
she-
ago.
Dear Dad, please pick up your shoes and enjoy these high shoes. Lay on your bed and prepare to be well fit. Turn on the TV and watch Cancun Memories. Well, oh, that's kind of a routine. Close your eyes and see the fish swimming by. Your toes in the sand and a Coke in your hand. Or eat olives by the millions in a village that's Sicilian, or maybe you're dying
No, that's a mistake.
to have some Hawaiian. Hike a volcano. What? a drink a virgin tornado or have dinner in Fiji with a waiter named Luigi. Okay. Why is it in that? Or maybe watch the ocean blue on a beach in Malibu. Just know that we love you. Happy Father's Day.
Okay, this starts the theme for the rest of the night.
Okay.
So you get to lay in your bed. We're gonna close the door, but every time you need something, you can text or call.
So you're locking him in.
Go to your space. He's saying to me, go to your room.
No, you just get to lay and watch like memories of Cancun or whatever you want to watch. Happy Lady videos. Go to your happy place, and you can munch on some of these snacks, and then we'll call you when dinner's ready.
Then I'm allowed out of my room again.
Well, there's a reason you can't come out. That's why.
And I have to go to the bathroom. I could do some like on the side and on the sand.
All right, don't get it. That's enough, honey. We don't. I didn't want it like yeah.
I kind of just don't want it on Max with sushi.
Mom,
I want it to look like lava.
Mom,
Okay, guys, don't go crazy with
No,
it.
not poisonous.
Please, please, honey.
Mom, I need to put the drink in first.
No, it's fine.
No, because look.
Oh, gotcha. Just set him next to it then.
I'll just set him on a tray.
Okay.
How about I set him on a tray?
You want this going on it too?
Okay. Welcome.
Oh.
Welcome to Cancun.
Well, they're already done and we haven't even got. Oh, this lighter's out.
It's not working.
Well, we tried.
You didn't get to see it because you were putting in your eye drops.
This is so cool.
Watch out.
Yeah, they're supposed to. Oh. Dad, I made the umbrellas. Yeah, because we didn't have any. And Dad, look, look at the ocean.
No, no, no.
Guys, you might want to use a fork when you get them off of this. You can use your. We can use your chopsticks when you eat off your plate.
You just use my fingers, actually. Using your fingers is the easiest.
There's more of this.
How many do we take?
I don't know. We counted 100
There's
words.
100, so each one can have 10.
That's not how that works.
We have 6 people.
I'm just saying for now.
100 divided by 6.
I don't know what that is.
It's more than 10.
What is this right here?
Alexa, what's 100 divided by 6?
Yar nice.
No, word.
I didn't write that.
No, it says yar nice.
No, then
Is this supposed to go with the bottle with like pirate? Yar nice.
No, Dad, I was trying to write it, but I accidentally was like writing you. But I'm not you, but like yo. And so I forgot to write the
Yo.
you, so I tried to squeeze it.
Treats, Ace. You're loving, Cambry. You're cool, Tatum. Dedication to my children, Mom. You're nice, Paisley. Happy Father's Day.
It doesn't say that.
Just fill in the blank, so I had no idea what the letter was, so don't be offended.
You are the most goofy dad around. I think it is so purple that you are as tall as pencil and as massive as a fire hydrant. I think you're pretty cool for being 29 years old. That's right. One accomplishment. If you were a color, you would be yellow because you watch Stranger Things. If you were an animal, you would for sure be a dog because you sleep. Every day I see you eat scones. To get big and strong and drink tons of Pepsi. To get the most energy, so cool. You are so dumb when you invest money. Also, you always make me laugh the hardest when you burp. I know it's not always easy being an itchy dad, so thank you for helping me do homework and giving me a brave hug when I play drums. Batman isn't even as cool as you are. I feel so tall when I get to spend time with you. Most people do. In fact, I think you and I make the best superhero team of all time, don't you? Most of all, I really think you are the coolest, most short dad. Because you can do a kickflip. It's true. I love you more than a cow loves brownies.
I didn't know what it was gonna do.
He just was told to put certain words in.
That's why when I read the Tom short thing, I thought it was so funny.
That's funny.
I could have put those anywhere else and I didn't.
That is hilarious.
Okay.
Tatum, stop.
Stop it. Go ahead.
Tatum, honey.
That's a card with
A
a
fire.
truck and a campfire.
That's cute.
Thanks for being the best dad, even when I do dumb things. After a while, maybe. Thanks for being supportive, hardworking, and always taking us on nice trips. Love you. Thanks for the great times. Thanks for the great memories. Most of all, thanks for being a great dad. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day. Black licorice.
Licorice.
Ooh, Nitro Pepsi. Did you get those so you can have some?
No. I've already had like
I've
two.
never had it, so.
Oh, is that
I
what?
just got it because I got the black licorice. I was like, I feel like I need something else, so I just got that.
Oh,